Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your favorite producer, Don, and today I'm gonna show y'all how I make Anderson Paak, Bruno Mars, PJ Morton, Music Soul Child type beats. Let's get into it.
Ron got the recipe.
Alright, so the very first thing I do when I start making a beat is set my BPM, set my tempo. This time I chose 104. The bass line, in my opinion, is the most important part of making these kind of beats. It's literally the heart and soul of the instrumental. People will be dancing and grooving to the bass line, okay? To the bass line. Make sure you spend time finding the right notes and create something you think the particular artist you're making a beat for will like. For example, if you're making a Bruno Mars or Anderson Paak type beat, you probably want to listen to Bruno Mars and Anderson Paak bass lines, so you have an idea of what to put down in your production. I typically keep my bass lines 8 measures. The first 4 are going to be in a pocket. The second 4 I usually keep a little bit groovy, keep it different. Other than that, I spend most of my time in the piano roll extending things that need to be a little bit longer or making things a little bit shorter, also playing with the dynamics or the accents in this case. As always, throw some guitar rig on there for some added flavor or whatever plugins you have or you like to use. Piano, Rhodes. So for this track, I kept the grand piano and I kept the Rhodes the same exact thing. I basically just duplicated them. That was all I did. Really just wanted to play some super soulful chords that complement the bass line. I used Native Instruments contact player, Alicia Keys piano, and I believe the Scarton B Mark II or Mark I. I don't know. Do some guitar rig on top of that Rhodes keyboard for some luscious flavor. But here I spend most of my time in the piano roll. The reason why is because I want all of that goodness to be included in that beat. So I extend every note, every chord as long as it can go, or shorten what needs to be shortened. Because in post-production, when you're doing your mix and mastering, all of that will show up. Spend time in the piano roll getting everything on point. So later on, you're in the game. All right, so let's talk drums, man. Drums are subjective. However, for this type of beat, we're gonna keep it simple. So our drums here are pretty standard. We got a 4 on the floor, 1, 2, 3, 4. Our snare on the 2 and a 4. You don't have to be like me and use a whole E kit. However, it does make your job easy. But you can play these same beats, these same patterns with a MIDI keyboard, an MPC, or a machine, or any MIDI controller that you have access to. As always, I recommend staying in the pocket, not doing too much. Leave some room for Anderson Paak and Bruno Mars if you do their thing, you know what I'm saying? The final step would be touching up those notes in the piano roll, making sure they're long enough, short, making sure they're fat, accents, all of that. Make it sound groovy. Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more content. Like the video, share it with your friends, and let me know how you feel in the comments, man. I really appreciate it. Peace.